In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear ABS sensor on your Nissan Altima. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Nissan Altima safely. Now you need to remove the brake system. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Rear Brakes Nissan Altima. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the ABS sensor's retaining bolt. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry it out of its slot. Unfortunately, on this vehicle, the sensor is very often seized up and impossible to remove. If, like us, you broke it during disassembly, you'll need to dismantle the wheel hub to cleanly remove the ABS sensor. Using a flathead screwdriver, unclip the entire ABS sensor cable, starting from the wheel knuckle. Unclip the last retaining clip. If you break it during removal, remove what remains using pliers. Disconnect the electrical connector. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Now you need to remove the wheel hub. Using a ratchet and a 17mm socket, loosen the 4 wheel hub retaining bolts. Then remove them. Remove the wheel hub. Remove the plastic cover. Using a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, tap the ABS sensor to push it outwards. You can also use a drill to remove all remnants of the old sensor. Using a cylindrical brush, clean the sensor area to make it easier to install the new sensor once the parts have been reassembled. Replace the plastic cover. You can order the ABS sensor used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new sensor. Before installing the ABS sensor, we recommend that you thoroughly clean its location using a wire brush. Apply grease to the clamp and sensor to prevent corrosion in the long term. Insert the sensor into its housing. Then screw it back on, initially by hand. Screw it in until it makes contact using the ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Put the wheel hub back in place. Then tighten the bolts by hand. Screw them back in with a ratchet until they make contact. Finalize the tightening crosswise and with a torque wrench. Replace the ABS sensor cable in its slots. Plug the electrical connector back in. Then reattach the clips. Now put the brake system back in place. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your vehicle back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.